Hello and welcome back to my kitchen. Today I'm going to be making Dr. Pepper meatballs, and I'll be starting off with 1 pound of lean ground beef and adding in a half of a cup of breadcrumbs, 1 lightly beaten egg, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder and a half of a teaspoon of paprika, a good pinch of salt, and a couple of turns of freshly cracked black pepper. Once all the meatball ingredients have been combined, it gets rolled into roughly ping pong ball sized meatballs. Now that I have all the meatballs rolled out, these can be cooked either one of 2 ways. You can brown these up in a skillet in 1 tablespoon of olive oil, or you can do what I do and pop them into a 350-degree oven in an oven-safe skillet for about 15 to 20 minutes, or just until they're browned all the way through. While I'm waiting on the meatballs to brown up in the oven, I'm going to go ahead and mix up the sauce, starting off with 2 cups of ketchup. I'll be adding in 2 tablespoons of tomato paste, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 tablespoon of Worcestershire sauce, a good pinch of salt, and a few turns of freshly cracked black pepper, and then finally 2 cans of Dr. Pepper. Once these ingredients have been stirred together, they can just be set over to the side until the meatballs come out of the oven. Once the meatballs come out of the oven, they get topped off with the stove, and the remainder of the cooking will be done here on top of the stove. Once the sauce starts coming up to a boil, it gets dropped down to about a medium heat, and this will be allowed to simmer for about 10 to 15 minutes or until the sauce reduces by half and starts to thicken up. Once the sauce has been reduced by half, they are now ready to serve. So I've gone ahead and plated up a couple of them, and now all I have left to do is try them out. Now I did have a little taste of the sauce, and I really do like it, but let's see how it works with the meatballs. The meatballs are a little bit on the dense side, but they do have a really good flavor. The sauce is amazing. I really do like this. The Dr. Pepper adds a really unique flavor to it. And the vinegar and the ketchup gives it a sweet and sour quality that I do like. Now technically this recipe is an appetizer, but I think if this is served over rice, it could easily pass as a main meal. Overall, I'm definitely going to be making these again. So thank you very much to the lovely lady who sent me this recipe. I am very happy to continue to try out recipes that have been sent in by you, the viewer. So if there is something particular you would like to see, let me know down in the comment section below. But for now, thank you all so very much for joining me. I've been Walker. I hope you guys have enjoyed, and I hope I see you in the next one.